Good morning, Dan. How's it going?
Hey, good morning. I'm all right. How are you today?
Me too. So far, so good.
Good. It's just starting though, so.
Yeah, right. Hey, are you I know Crystal has a couple of them. Are you Crystal today or is she coming in? Do you know?
As far as I know, she's coming in. She didn't mention
Okay.
anything to me.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
No problem. The individual on from the Wayne County Jail, is that one of Crystal's, Marianne?
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. It's Mr. Shute.
Okay. Hey, Marianne,
Yes, Dan.
I just talked to Crystal. She does have those two that are starting at 9 o'clock, but Mr. Shute, she just arraigned, so that's not her client.
Okay, all right. Then do you need to speak with him?
Yep,
Okay, got it. Thank you.
you're welcome. I can move him.
Thanks, Dan.
Mhm.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Batar.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
I'm super. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
I'm just looking for a prosecutor.
I was looking for the same thing. Looks like we can't do anything yet. Who is the DV prosecutor from the state that usually appears on these dockets? Now, it's been a while since I think I've done a DV docket.
Mandernack,
Oh, okay. All right.
that's who it's been, but I saw an advocate walk in the building about 40 minutes ago. Let me go on the hallway and see if there's somebody set up but just not logged on.
Okay, I'll be here. Mr. Shoup, just hang tight. We're waiting for the prosecutor, okay?
Mr. Batar, just spoke to the advocate. She's giving Ms. Mandernack a call. Hopefully she'll join us here shortly. We can get going.
Judge, she did send an email this morning and wanted to know if she could appear via Zoom. I said, yes, that's not a problem. She just wasn't feeling good, so I told her that, you're ready to go.
Oh, thank you, Mary Ann.
Judge Martin, I just spoke with Patricia. She said that her cases don't start until 9, so she was going to be on at 8:50. She said the ones at 8:30 weren't hers. And she was going to appear via Zoom.
Thank you. She is the named prosecutor on the Shoup matters that have been scheduled at 8:30 since 9:15. It's fine. I'm here. As soon as she gets on, we'll get her connected with Mr. Batar and we'll get going. Thank you.
Okay, of course, sounds good.
Good morning, Mr. Hadley.
Bring your honor.
We're waiting for the prosecutor still.
No problem. Your Honor, while we've got a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and move my client who's already logged in into a breakout room, if that's okay with the court.
Absolutely, thank you. These are 230602SM and 230693SM. These are State of Michigan versus Patrick Ryan Shoup. May I have your appearances, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, standing in for APA Michael Kazak.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Shoup.
State your name for me, please, sir.
Patrick Ryan Shoup.
Thank you. Today is the day and time set for the pretrial on these matters. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding?
Judge, I'm asking the court to set these matters for a final pretrial at a later date where the complainant must appear. Patricia informed me that Mike Kazak is the prosecutor of record, so I will reach out to him to get discovery. I have not received any discovery yet, being I was just appointed today, Judge.
Is he the prosecutor on both matters?
Both matters for Shoup, Your Honor, yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
And I would like to address bond at some point, Judge.
Let's get the final pretrial date for Mary Ann first.
Yes, Judge.
October 10th at 9:10.
And is that Judge Green or Judge Oakley?
Judge Green?
Thank you, ma'am. Judge Green by Zoom in courtroom number 3 on October 10th at 9:10 a.m. Mr. Batar, bond is 5,000, 10% in the older file, the 602 file, and the other file is 5,000, 10% with GPS tether.
Judge, I'm asking you to consider a personal bond on both matters. The complainant in this case is his sister. They were living together at the time. Mr. Shoup will not return to that residence. He can go stay with a friend in Lincoln Park. It's my understanding he has no prior criminal history. He's not able to make any type of bond, Judge. He doesn't have any prior criminal convictions, according to him. And he's been locked up for 2 weeks on these matters. He's been unable to post, Judge. Strong possibility he would receive a probationary sentence, even if convicted of both matters, Judge. I'd ask you to grant that personal bond.
Madam Prosecutor.
Your Honor, I will leave it to the court's discretion.
Thank you. Mr. Batar, the court's concern is that Mr. Shoup already had an offense date of August 12, 2023 regarding the same victim when the second case from September 15th occurred. I'm looking to see, I understand the victim did not have to be here today. And although Mr. Shoup does have some criminal history, it's older. The court will amend the bond. Removing the GPS tether requirement in the 693 case and amending both bonds to 5,000 personal. Mr. Shoup, upon your release, all other conditions of bond remain the same, including no contact with the victim. In this case, Amanda Shoup and Michael Shoup in the 602 file, and in the 693 file, just Ms. Shoup. And sir, no contact means no contact, no direct contact, no contact through social media, no contact through third parties. If Ms. Amanda Shoup or Mr. Michael Shoup make complaints to the local police department that you've made any, or the prosecutor that you made any effort to be in contact or communication through any mechanism, the court could view that as a violation of this amended bond.
Okay.
Your bond could be revoked and you can spend the rest of these proceedings in custody. Do you understand, sir?
Yes.
Anything else on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of Mr. Shoup, Mr. Batar?
Sorry about that.
Thank you. That concludes this matter. Thank you, Pravachi.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Shute, make sure you give me a call when you get out.
I will, bud.
Your Honor, you will have a wonderful day.
You too. Good to see you.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is 230657 SM. This is State of Michigan versus Casham.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Adley appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Noah Kasham, who's appearing via Zoom today. Mr. Kasham, please take yourself off mute. State your full name for the court.
Noah Kasham.
Turn your video on for me, please, sir. Today is the day and time set for the final pretrial scheduled at 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor, I have been unable to, it's my understanding complaining witnesses has failed to appear. I have been unable to contact her. The number we have for her is out of service. I am unable to proceed without her.
Advocate.
Your motion, sir.
Your Honor, based on the prosecution's disclosure about the complainant's failure to wish to move forward, we would ask the matter be dismissed without prejudice at this time.
Thank you. Defense motion is granted. Anything else on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of the defendant?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Casham, this concludes this matter. Case is dismissed without prejudice. The bond that you posted will be refunded to you less the administrative fee. Good luck to you, sir. Have a good day.
How would I be able to get it refunded?
It'll be
The court will
mailed to
issue
you,
a
sir.
check. The check will be mailed to the address that the court has on file.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I do have one more matter with you later this morning. I'm just going to go ahead and turn my camera off and wait till my next case is called, if that's all right.
Absolutely. Thank you, Mr. Hadley. This is 230656 SM State of Michigan versus Alan Liu.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
And good morning, Your Honor. George Brown on behalf of the defendant, P80369. Mr. Liu appears via Zoom.
Unmute yourself and state your name for me, sir.
Alan Liu.
Thank you. Today is the day and time set for the final pretrial. Case was scheduled at 9 o'clock. It's now 9:10 by the court's clock. How are we proceeding, Mr. Brown?
Your Honor, it's my understanding the court required the complaining witness to appear. I don't see her here. Is she in the courtroom?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, just to clarify, my notes have this set as a remote pretrial on the the docket indicates this is a remote pretrial. So I did not inform complaining witness that she needed to be here today. And I'm going through the notes for the case right now to make sure.
The ROA shows it as a remote pretrial. Judge Oakley's notes show it as a final pretrial with the complainant to appear. And as much as the ROA does not indicate the requirement for the victim to appear, Mr. Brown. Do you need a moment to speak to Ms. Mandernack?
Yes,
And
Your Honor.
Judge- yeah.
The last time we were here, there was a request that she appear, and the court said it was ordering the complaining witness to appear.
I understand that, sir, but there's some disconnect between Judge Oakley's notes and how it appears on the ROA. And since the court is bound by that, the ROA, if you speak to the prosecutor, come back out and want to set it for a final pretrial, we'll make sure that that requirement for the complainant, Ms. Rebecca Pollock, is properly put on the ROA.
Understood, Your Honor.
Ms. Brooks, did you speak to the prosecutor?
She just asked if I wanted an attorney and I told her no, thank you.
I'll put her in.
Okay, thank you.
I'll put
You're
her.
welcome.
Thank you, Mary Ann. Mr. Bitar, did you already speak to Ms. Mandernack regarding Mr. Weisfeld?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready on that.
Thank you. Ms. Thurman, did you speak to the prosecutor already?
I have not, but I do believe we're ready to move forward.
Okay, thank you. Back on the record in the Lou matter, Mr. Brown, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, it sounds like we're requesting a final pretrial.
October 10th at 9:20.
Mr. Brown, we've reset the final pretrial with the complainant to appear on October 10th at 9:20 a.m. That will be in number 3 with Judge Green by Zoom. Mary Ann will make sure that the notice to appear properly indicates final pretrial with CV to appear. If you receive a notice, Mr. Brown, that does not clearly indicate that, please reach back out to court staff so they can make sure that it's properly noticed. Anything else on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of defendant?
Your Honor, just to clarify, that was via Zoom for the 10th at
Yes, sir.
what time?
9:20, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
You too, Judge.
Thank you. This is 2300611 SM. This is State of Michigan versus Boyce. May I have your appearances, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
Good morning, Your Honor. Reginae Thurman, PA 5701, appearing on behalf of Ms. Boyce.
Ma'am,
Ms.
state
Boyce
your
is
name for me,
appearing via
please.
Zoom. Yeah. Sienna Boyce.
Thank you. Today is the day and time set for the final pretrial. Ms. Thurman, how are we proceeding?
I just want to confirm that the complaining victim is here.
Judge, I see him. Oh, there we go.
Okay, yes, so we would like to set this matter for a trial.
Is discovery complete, ma'am?
Your Honor, my notes indicate that it is.
Are we looking for a bench, Zoom trial or a live trial?
A live trial.
We'll get a date from Mary Ann in just a moment.
Judge, your November domestic, is that what you wish to put it on your domestic docket?
Do we put it on the November domestic or do we put it at the end of the next domestic docket? Like at the end of Judge Green's docket? Or is it November?
I could call and see if they have anything, or I could look on their docket to see if they have any trial schedule. I'm just thinking what if they set something,
I'm with you. So November,
November 14th, anything after 10 o'clock, Judge?
so are you saying at 10 or 10:30?
10:30, after 10:30 would be better.
So 10:30, okay. So live trial,
Is it going to be a jury trial or a bench trial?
it was a bench trial unless you demanded a jury trial.
I would like to do a jury trial, Judge.
You would like to do a jury trial.
Defense is requesting a jury trial.
That changes things a little bit because our jury trial date is our criminal week, right, Mary Ann?
That's correct.
So it'd have to be the week of either November the 27th or December the 4th.
Either of those work for the people.
The week of December 4th works.
Mary Ann, on December 5th, Ms. Mandernack, would it need to be that Tuesday for you?
It could be Tuesday or it could be Monday, Judge.
Mary Ann, on the 4th or the 5th, do we have anything?
On the 5th you do, Judge.
So it has to be the 4th.
Yes.
Okay. So live jury trial, December 4th, 2023, with the attorneys and the defendant at 8:30, the jury at 9 a.m. The jury instructions, exhibit list, and witness list, plea cutoff, are November the 10th, 2023. That's a Friday. That's a Friday, but that doesn't sound like a good Friday for some reason. Oh, Veterans Day, November the 9th.
And then Judge, would November 9th also be the cutoff for any motions?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
We have a 3-week lead time on jury summoning jurors. So if you could get your jury instructions, exhibit witness list, plea cutoff, motion cutoff, November 9th by close of business for us, that's 3:30 p.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you much. Have a great day. I'll
Thank
see
you
you in
as well.
December. This is 2306990SM. This is State of Michigan versus Ryan Weisfeld. May I have your appearances, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
Daniel Baton on behalf of Mr. Weisfeld, Your Honor.
State your name for me, please, sir.
Ryan Weisfeld.
Thank you. Today's the day and time set for the pretrial on this matter. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I'm asking the court to set this matter for a final pretrial where the complainant must appear, and the APA is going to send me discovery when she can.
October 10th at 9:10.
October 10th at 9:10 a.m. in number 3 by Zoom with Judge Green, complainant to appear. Mr. Weisfeld, that notice will be mailed to you at the address that was verified with court staff. Anything else on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of the defendant?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you, sir. You're free to go. You have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Weisfeld, I will give you a call once I get the discovery from the prosecutor, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Brooks, were you pulled out or did you come out? You're muted.
A message had popped up saying that they were unavailable to connect with me, so I got out.
This is 230689 SM. This is State of Michigan versus Danielle Brooks.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Manderdank for the people, P84088.
State your name for me, please, ma'am.
Danielle Brooks.
Ms. Brooks, the way the court staff have you labeled indicate that you're waiving your right to have the assistance of the court-appointed attorney this morning. Is that correct?
That is correct, ma'am.
And you intend to proceed on your own?
Yes.
Today is the day and time set for pretrial. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I spoke to the complaining witness. He indicated that he does not want to participate in prosecution in this case, and I am unable to proceed without him.
Ms. Brooks, this case is hereby dismissed.
Thank you very
Anything else
much.
on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Brooks?
No, thank you very much.
You're very welcome, ma'am. You have a good day.
You too.
Are we ready with Stanberry?
Your Honor, the people are ready on Stanberry. This is going to be a dismissal.
Oh, in that case, Your Honor, I am also ready on Stanberry.
I thought you were Stanberry.
No, I am not, Your Honor. Good morning.
Well, she was too, Judge. I was just texting her.
Yeah, that was my mistake. I renamed her.
Do we need to wait for Stanberry and Bills to appear, Ms. Mandernack?
Not for Stanberry, Your Honor. Your Honor, I spoke with, I attempted to get in touch with several of the witnesses. I was unsuccessful. A complaining witness does not wish to participate in prosecution in this case, so I am unable to proceed.
This is 230513 SM State of Michigan versus Trevor Stanberry. The court notes your position for the record, Ms. Mandernack. Ms. Medina.
Your Honor, Crystal Marie Medina, on behalf of Mr. Stanberry, we would ask for a dismissal of the matter, Your Honor.
Defense motion to dismiss is hereby granted. Anything else in this case, Ms. Mandernack?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Medina?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Josh, I'm ready on Anthony Torrey, if you are.
Sure.
Absolutely, yep. This is 230655 SM. This is State of Michigan versus Anthony Torrey. May I have your appearances, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Adley, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Anthony Torrey.
Your Honor, I spoke with complaining witness in this case. She indicated that she is not willing to participate in prosecution. I am unable to proceed without her.
And Your Honor, in light of this information, we would just ask that the matter be dismissed without prejudice at this time.
Thank you. Based on the position taken by the prosecutor in this matter, defense motion to dismiss is granted. Anything else on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of the defendant?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
And that's all for me today, Your Honor. I'll see you on Thursday for the ordinance docket, which I just looked at. Oh, boy.
Thank you,
Madam
Mr. Alley. I'll
Prosecutor.
see you there.
You bet. Thank you, Madam Prosecutor. Have a good afternoon.
Thanks, Josh. And then Judge, I'm ready on bails as well, if the court is.
This is 230534 SM, State of Michigan versus Wayne Bales. Your appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
And Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Bales.
Thank you. Today is the day and time set for the final pretrial in this matter. How are we proceeding this morning?
Your Honor, my notes indicate that this final pretrial was scheduled after a previous final pretrial where defendant failed to appear. That previous final pretrial was on 8/8/2023. Complaining witness was present at that final pretrial, so I do not believe that she would need to appear today. Discovery has been completed in this matter. I have not. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just pausing while I'm reading my notes. I would need to move to amend the complaint so that it is a domestic violence second offense notice instead of a domestic violence first. I can submit an amended complaint to the court and CC defense counsel on that.
Your Honor, Mr. Bales, I'm sorry. I thought when we called the case that it was potentially going to be a dismissal. I haven't spoken with Mr. Bales this morning, nor do I see him on screen for us to be addressing all of this. I'm sorry. I thought it was being called for a dismissal.
Oh, sorry. I went ahead of myself.
Do the two of you want to go into a breakout room? The case was scheduled at 9:20. My policy is usually 15 minutes after the scheduled start time. So if you want to talk and see if he appears in the next couple of minutes.
Yeah, we could do that,
Sure.
Your Honor. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Ms. Mandernack, would you be able to pull me into your room? I don't think I'm able to move around. Thank you.
Were you saying something, Mr. Pater?
You hear me? I'm sorry. I said, do you need me for anything else? I love spending time with you and Mary Ann, but I don't see anything left on the document.
No, the last case is Miss Medina's case. Good to see you, Mr. Bitar.
Good to see you as well. Take care, Mary Ann. Take care, Judge.
You, Tina.
We're back on the record in 230534 SM, State of Michigan versus Bales. This case was scheduled at 9:20. It's now 9:35 by the court's clock. Ms. Medina, how are we proceeding this morning?
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with Ms. Mandernack, and we did have the intention to set it for one last final pretrial. I have not been in contact with Mr. Bales recently, and I am not aware of his whereabouts at this time.
Ms. Mandernack, this case had last been set on September 12th with Judge Oakley. The defendant appeared at that time and was provided the adjourned date of today at 9:20 and has failed to appear as directed by the court. Ms. Mandernack.
Your Honor, I'd request a bench warrant.
Ms. Medina, based on the defendant's failure to appear, the court will issue a warrant, 5,010%.
Your Honor, if I were to get in contact with my client at some point, would we be able to contact the court?
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else on behalf of the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. That concludes this matter, and that concludes this court's docket for the day. You both have a wonderful afternoon. This court stands adjourned.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor. You
Take
too.
care.
Have a good day.